I have this plant at my house in Midtown. My sister refers to it as the Chinese paper tree, or I like this kudzu tree. I would like to know what it really is. It is very prolific. I have never seen any flowers. It seems to propagate by runners, and it is taking over my yard. How do I get rid of it? I am thinking that digging them up is the only solution. And this is from Max in Memphis. So Chinese paper tree or kudzu tree? You want to help him out, Joellen, with that one?
Yeah, actually, sometimes called the paper mulberry, but it's really not related to mulberry trees because mulberry trees are the genus Morus. This is, oh gosh, Bronsonetia.
Okay, good.
And so, you know, but they're different families.
Right.
The problem is this was originally brought over as a shade tree, but they found out it's very prolific around here. It escaped cultivation,
of course,
and is out in the wild.
Out in the wild.
And she is right. They do reproduce by seeds. They reproduce by rhizomes, and they will become a thicket and get rid of everything in there. So it is invasive in this area. So yes, it should be gotten rid of. But
so how do you get rid? I mean, I guess.
Well, yeah, you could. I mean, you can spray it if you wanted to with a herbicide, a non-selective or herbicide. But yeah, cutting it out, digging it up is going to be because look at all the carbohydrate reserves in the roots.
Exactly.
If you don't start digging it up and getting rid of the roots themselves, you're going to have years of having that carbohydrate reserve popping up. Plants everywhere.
Wow.
So yeah, she's right. She needs to dig them up.
Max, yeah, you got to strong back.
Yeah.
Start digging those things up. And you know, I always like to refer to Dr. Durr, Michael Durr. He actually called the tree, the paper mulberry, a weed in the South, considered to be very invasive.
Yes.
And he's the man, you know.
Yes,
so that's what it said. Considered a weed in the South, and it's very invasive.
Very invasive.
Oh, Max. You got a lot of work ahead of you.
Yes, you do. But everybody around you thanks you for trying to get rid of it, because then it won't be a problem after you get rid of it.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.